Peace to YouTube and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kat and you're watching Planning Calm. And here in this channel, I love to share with you all the many ways I can help you plan your way to calm and plan a calmer life. In this video, I want to share with you my overview and my recap of my One Book July. Now, One Book July is a concept that was created by a blogger, YouTuber, somebody in the past, I'm not sure. It's been around for about a decade, I believe. But I originally found out about the concept from Julie's Plans. I love Julie. I follow her and watch every one of her videos. Love her to bits, been following her for years. But I found out about One Book July from Julie's channel and she was doing it. And so I thought I would do it as something fun to do in the month of July because I knew I was going to be busy and I wasn't sure what content to film. So I have been loving it. I've also been loving the Olympics, watching the Olympics on TV. I am a sports person and I love watching athletes who have trained and dedicated their lives to the sport. And comment down below if you're watching the Olympics and what events are you tuning into. I am a big track and gymnastics person, also swimming. Mr. Calm is into basketball, so we watch a lot of that. And so yeah, it's been fun. I've been watching it as much as I have in recent years, or in previous years rather, but it's been nice to tune in. So comment down below and let me know what events are you watching. Also comment down below and let me know how are you doing, Planner fam? How you doing? What's good? What's cooking? How are you enjoying your summer? Comment down below and let me know. Catch a girl up because I would love to know how you are all keeping. If you're new to my channel here, I do planning and calm lifestyle content for you. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and don't forget to give this video a like if you like the content. So let's dive in. So my overview, I have in my book, this is a Sterling Ink Common Planner that I have. I love this planner. This is pretty much my go-to planner. I have kind of 3 planners that I work in and out of, but this one is something I reach for every day. I'll be showcasing the monthly, the weekly, and the daily view for you. I just have those tagged off with some paper. So without further ado, because I know your time is important, let's dive in. So my monthly view for the month of July looks like this, pretty basic. I knew that July was going to be a very busy month, so there's not really a lot of stickers here. There's not really a lot going on because I have school, or I had school in July. I'm filming this the 1st of August, so it's all over now. But it took a lot, and I mean a lot of my time between attending classes and the assignments and the papers and all the things that go along with school. I was really busy with that, so that was my July, the monthly view. The weekly view, I had a lot of fun with as well. Not so much, you know, sticker heavy or anything like that, but I love the fact that I was only focusing on being in one planner and I just, you know, went to town with it. And so I just kind of tried to track my homework. There was a lot of homework, so sometimes it was tracked, sometimes it wasn't. That's all good. But I try to track our meals and other things, but there wasn't really a lot going on in July. And so this is what my weekly pages look like. All in all, not too bad, not too shabby. But yeah, it was a lot of fun being in this planner for most of the month. Again, my weekly view here. Sometimes I did some stickers, sometimes not so much. You could tell I was kind of busy, didn't get a chance to fill in everything, but that's okay. It is all good. But I had a lot of fun doing One Book July. It really gave me some perspective on how I want to plan moving forward, and I'm excited to share those things with you. So last page in my weekly, I kind of fell off because I was just tired. And here we are here. So now we turn to the whole enchilada. So a lot of my daily planning was really in these daily pages. So in the Common Planner, unlike the Hobonichi, which they're both very similar, they're not dated. So you have a bulk of daily pages that are not dated. And I love that because it allows me the opportunity to be a little bit more creative, which is what I like on these pages here because this is my journaling page. And yeah, I started off with my month of July, just talking about my highlights for July, the courses that I'm going to be doing, tuition doing. I had my spa day. Thanks so much for all those who checked in on my spa day on Instagram. If you're not following me on Instagram, comment down below. Or if you're not following me on Instagram, follow me along there. I was mentioning about my spa day and my previous videos and stuff, and people are like, you know, Kat, your spa day's coming up, girl, so don't forget to get up on that. And I did, and it was great. But this is my one book July spread. I focused on these pages, like I said. I live in Canada, so it was Canada Day, and then it kind of goes in here. So because I had a lot of courses during this time, I really, you know, didn't really have a lot going on. So I had an agenda that helped me keep track of my course stuff, my homework stuff, and all the things that I was supposed to do and had to do, and etc. And that really worked well for me. And I was able to put in my usual things here, so my Bible verses and things like that. But one thing about this month, what this month has taught me, is that I don't have to follow a script. I don't have to, you know, do what everybody else is doing. I can just do what I want and do what works for me. And yeah, so some days I had my wellness tracker, some days I had other things going on, but it was just so fun to be in this planner, dedicated time in this planner for a month. And it really helped me to appreciate the uses of the planner and how I can, you know, be creative in it and have some ideas. I used primarily my Sharpie pen to fill it in. Boy, brain is fried. To fill it in, sorry folks. And also my Tombow markers. And again, just so grateful for this opportunity. It was just so much fun. I don't know why I had such a fun time with it, but as you can see by the pages, I kept it consistent in the colors. Minimal stickers, but I used some nonetheless. I have some of my Coffee Monsters Co. stickers and some of my Happy Planner stickers that I used, and it just worked, guys. It just worked. And again, sometimes I had a Bible verse, sometimes I had a to-do list. It just really depended on the day, and this was really easy for me to kind of keep on track of, and it worked out great. And yeah, some days I had time to fill it in, and some days I didn't because I was busy in school and I was doing school stuff. And yeah, and sometimes I had some other stickers that I used and that worked, and sometimes there was no stickers, and that was okay. But One Book July was just such a great experience. And, you know, it just gave me the opportunity to play in my planner, to be creative in my planner, to have fun in my planner, and just appreciate, you know, what I have in this planner. Now, sometimes I went and had fun with it, and it was great. And yeah, it was such a good experience. And I actually included a little recap here of just, you know, my experience as a whole. And that's what I want to talk to you about today, is that, you know, what this little activity gave me was an opportunity to just use what I have and have fun with it. I think a lot of times in the planner community, comment down below if you are a part of the community or if you plan and you understand, but you always want to, I just need more stickers. I just need more washi tape. I just need a new pen. I just need a new planner. I just need. You're always looking for the next best thing or the next great thing or the newest thing. FOMO all up and through. And I talked about that on my channel a lot. And, you know, one of the things I'm really being cognizant of is my spending, number one, and number two, being grateful and practicing gratitude in an effort to give me that calm lifestyle that I am craving and that I love. And so for me, like using what I have, all the stickers that I have, and, you know, having fun with it and being disciplined to carry this through has made me really appreciate planning even more than I already do. And I just really am grateful for this opportunity and this experience to really showcase my skills and to have fun with it and just have a blast playing in my planner. And for those of you who follow along, comment down below if you did One Book July as well. Tell me your thoughts and how you enjoyed it, because I really, really did enjoy this experience. And it just really taught me that I have a lot of great stuff that I can use, that I don't have to complicate my planning, and that I can just have fun being me and playing in my planner. So there you have it, folks. That's what I want to share with you, my thoughts on One Book July. And will I do it next year? Absolutely, I will. And I'm going to be just making sure I make a more conscious effort to stick to my planners and to enjoy them and not be stressed by them, and just have fun and have a blast. I have my notebook planner as well. I have my household planner, but this, my everyday play planner, I'm just absolutely loving. And so yeah, I've been here for it. I've loved it, and I just want to share it with you. So thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more planner content to come in the future. So until the next video, my beautiful friends, take care, be well, be blessed, and I'll see you all in the next planner video. Bye-bye, planner peeps.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite.